Good morning, everybody. This is Tisa with Green Organic Love, and I am extremely excited to be bringing you part 5 of my Summer 2020 Garden Series. And in this series, or this part, we will be talking about the extreme importance of mulching. So I will be right back to share with you exactly what I will be using from this garden to mulch. I'll be right back. In this area, I have noticed that after I water every other day in the morning, the soil is still really dry. I mulched this really heavily last summer, and that mulch that I purchased broke down. It broke down into the soil. And so honestly, this right here, this area of the garden is really exposed. So when I water it, not to say that it doesn't have enough water, but the surface is very dry very quickly. So mulching it will help hold that moisture in just a little bit more, and will carry me, or carry these fellas, over to the next watering time. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to get and what I'm going to get to do that mulching. As you can see, I've already collected some of the leaves from these magnolia trees. They fall, they are full of leaves, and they are falling all year long. And over here in this particular area, it's a lot of them. And I rarely water this area. It is always moist. The ground is rarely ever dry. So I'm going to be collecting these magnolia leaves, and I'm going to be transferring them. I got a broom, and you noticed I had a pan that I'm collecting them and transferring them over to that other area. So there's a lot of them over here. There is no need for me to go and purchase any kind of mulch when I already have mulch over here in this garden. It's already here for me. And I don't know if you can see that, but this is already mulched, like I did the red mulching over there. As a walkway, I carved out all of this weeds, and I layered it just like I did the red area with the by the tire. So this is not exposed yet because I put cardboard and everything under that. So look at all this mulch. Look at all this natural mulch that I have right here. So I'm gonna be right back because I don't think you guys need to sit here. You get the picture and watch me rake up all these leaves, but I'll come right back to show you how I'm gonna put that mulch down over there in the area that I just showed you. So I'll be right back with the final results. An extreme importance of making sure that you mulch and making sure that you do your best to keep in that moisture during the extreme heat. I've done the best that I can with what I have here. I want to be able to mulch a little bit heavier, but I will have to wait until some more leaves fall, and I'm going to wait, and I will be bringing them in. And what I will be saying is that we will be seeing how this does, how the mulching that I did not do last year in time to save everything, it wasn't effective. So I want to make sure that I'm successful this year. Some things will happen in this garden without my permission, just like life itself. I cannot control everything. I cannot control the conditions. I cannot control everything perfectly. And so, but what I will do is I will take the steps that are needed to help with those conditions, like mulching, for example. So if you subscribe to the channel, I encourage you to do so. It promises to be an amazing educational journey, and we can do this together. Like the stream, comment, let me know how you guys are doing during this summer, what you plan on doing in the comment section. So grow with love, everybody, and have an amazing day.